Okay, we're going to make some Mandarin orange cake. This cake is a very quick, small cake, very quick to make and very delicious. So what we're going to need is a cup of sugar, which we have right here, 1 egg right here in this little bowl, a teaspoon of soda, salt, and vanilla, and a cup of flour. And instead of the sugar, I'm using applesauce. Okay? And then the Mandarin oranges, and you must drain them. Okay, we're going to put them into the bowl. The flour, soda, and salt. The applesauce in place of the sugar. The Mandarin oranges. The egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to whisk that up. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to give it a good whisk. It's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, here it is, all whisked and beaten up. And this is the consistency that I will make. And now we'll put it in the pan. And because I only have 2 hands, I'll be right back after I get it into the pan. Okay, here it is in the pan, and you bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. So let's put it into the oven. Here we go, into the oven, and cook it for 30 minutes. So we'll get our timer going, and we'll put 30 minutes, and start it. So 30 minutes. We'll see you back then. Okay, while the cake is mixing, we're going to make some ramen noodles, but we're going to make them a little bit better than just plain ramen noodles. So we got the 2 cups of water, and then we're going to get it going. Boil it. We'll put the seasoning in it. And then we'll put the ramen noodles in it. And we'll empty that out. I like to put a few mixed vegetables in it, just a few. So we'll put that in. Okay, and then we'll bring that back to up to a boil, and then we'll come back to that. This is going to be really good because the last 3 to 4 days I've had a terrible, more sinus infection or something, coughing, and so this will taste really good, and I'm hope I'm getting about over it. That's why my voice is a little rough. Anyway, we'll see you back when this gets boiled. As you can see, it's starting to boil. Let's get a wooden spoon here. Stir it up a little bit. It's going to be good. Okay, we'll give it a little bit longer. I thought while we're waiting for the ramen noodles and vegetables to cook and the cake, I would show you my teas and coffee. There's some teas here. These are some kind of Japanese or Chinese teas. This one here. And there's green tea in this in bags. And there's this one. I don't know the names of them right offhand, but I'll write them down on the link below. And then there's this one. And you're supposed to take this one and this one and this one and boil them together. This one is organic flower hibiscus. This is a real pretty red one when you steep it. And they're little flowers. And they're really bright red when they come out into the water. They're all dry. And then my coffee beans here. Nice and dark. Really pretty. And then my coffee grinder. So, yeah, I like my teas and a couple cups of coffee. And I really enjoy having them in nice containers. As you can see, I like different containers all lined up. Yep. So, I hope you enjoyed the teas, and I like different kind of teapots. I got this one here I've been using now. I got one that's a little cup with a tea thing that sits on the top. I got different kinds. Someday I'll share that with you, but today is this one. Okay, our ramen noodles are really boiling. I'd say they're close to done. So, we'll be right back. I'm going to turn